Dirty or foggy mirrors. Ain't no clinician have time for that. Am I right? Hey y'all, welcome back to another Chairside Chat with me, Michelle Strange. This week brought to you by Zirc and the Mirror Magic Trial Kit. The Mirror Magic anti-fog system prevents fogging on your mouth mirrors and offers the practitioner a quick method to remove debris during procedures. The kit comes with disposable swipe pads that stick to the back of your glove or the patient bib, like I like to use it on my glove. I'm trying not to use the patient's bib. I want to make it kind of a rule of thumb that I stay away from the patient's chest area. So I put it on my glove, and then I put a few of these anti-drop or anti-fog solutions. Boop, 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 boop. I'm kidding. It only takes 1 or 2 drops. I'm being obnoxious. And then if my mirror is fogging or I need to clean it off, I just swipe it on my glove. I don't have to pick up gauze, which eliminates the problem of fuzz left on the mirror lens from like the cotton 2x2s, right? So simple. So in the kit, you get 2 of the 6mm bottles of anti-fog solution and then 24 of the swipe pads. And you can find out more at zirc.com. Click on the products, then mirrors, and Mirror Magic. And as always, thanks for hanging out with me for another Chairside Chat. And if you're enjoying these and you love Zirc, go ahead and give us a like. Even better, I would love for you to drop a comment and also share this with your colleagues. Thanks, y'all.